Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Indeavor Engage app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Indeavor Engage is a workforce scheduling and communication app designed to help organizations manage employee shifts, availability, and time-off requests. It enables staff to view schedules in real time, swap shifts with coworkers, and submit availability changes directly through the app. Managers can send announcements, approve requests, and make quick schedule adjustments without the need for lengthy phone calls or emails. The platform also supports notifications to ensure employees stay updated on any last-minute changes. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the convenience of having all scheduling tools in one place, as well as the ability to manage shifts without physically going to the workplace. The app's interface is generally considered clean and intuitive, and push notifications help prevent missed shifts. The ability to request time off and trade shifts seamlessly can save both employees and managers significant time. That said, some users have noted occasional syncing delays or glitches when shifts are updated. Others mention that certain features depend heavily on how the employer sets up the system, meaning not all users get the same experience. Additionally, while the app is useful for scheduling, it's not a full HR or payroll platform, so businesses may need other tools alongside it. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Indeavor Engage app may be worth using if you're looking for an easy, mobile-friendly way to manage work schedules, shift swaps, and availability updates. It excels in convenience, time-saving features, and real-time updates. However, if your workplace doesn't fully utilize its features or you need broader HR functions, it might feel somewhat limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.